In this video, I will show you how to reduce file size easily. The smaller the size, the less time it's going to take for you to upload and also download. And if you have any question towards the end of this video, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do consider smashing that subscribe button if you find this video helpful. Alright, let's get right to it. First of all, you are going to need to download the WinRAR software. So you simply come to this website. You can check the description. You are going to see the link to this website in my description. So once you've gotten to this website, click on the download option in the menu. Then it's going to show you, the different versions that you can actually download this software on. And also you can download this software for your Android device. So I'm going to be downloading this software for 64 bits. So once downloaded, you can see it's downloading right now. So once you are done downloading it on your device, all you have to do is just install the software. Alright, once done installing the software, simply locate the file or the folder that you want to compress. So you can see that this folder right now, let me show you guys the property. So you can see it's actually 2.44 gig right now. So what you have to do is just right click on the folder. You are going to see a WinRAR option. So go there and you are going to see add to archive. So click on it. So once you click on it, now you just have to set it up. So you can see this compression method is showing normal. So switch it and put it at best. Then the dictionary size, increase it to 1 gigabyte. Then lastly, switch on this create solid archive. So once you've done these three things, all you have to do now is just click on OK, and it's going to start compressing your file or your folder. So all you have to do is just wait for you to perform this task. Okay, it's actually done compressing now. So you can see the compressed version over here. So you can see that the compressed version is 828 megabytes. But you can see the original folder is actually 2.44 gig. So this is actually the best way that you can actually use to compress your file or your folders into smaller size. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.